Panda. I got broads in Atlanta. Just took the lean in the family. Credit cards and the scammers. Getting the licks in the band. Legacies.
I've been with you from dusk till dawn. I've been with you from dusk till dawn. Baby, I've been running.
So guys, this is the white glue slime which I have made. It's super duper glossy. You guys, this is a clear slime which I have made a few days ago. So yeah, let's just see how this looks. Oh my god, are you kidding me, bro? It's so clear. Oh yeah. I know it's not crystal clear, but this is what I want for our avalanche slime. So yeah, there we go. Okay guys, now the fun part comes. So you're going to color the slimes with two different shades, and here I'm going to use green and red as this is Christmas season. So yeah, so this slime is going to be a Christmas themed slime. So you are going to divide the slime in two equal parts like I'm doing here. Okay, I think this is fine. So we are going to color it right now. First I'm going to color the slime red. Looks like black. Okay. Oh no. Okay, I got that. This is so pretty, by the way. Yeah. Look at this. Oh my god. Are you kidding me? So we are going to use this container to settle down. And I'm going to place this slime in the container like so. Okay, I think I got that. Oh, yeah, that's how we do that. And we are going to use our white glue slime next. We are going to place it like this. Okay, I think that's enough. This is how it looks. That's so pretty, you guys. I can't wait for the result, guys. So guys, leave this in a airtight container for overnight or a day. So that depends on how you want the gradient effect.